three common mistakes that I see accident victims make shortly following their auto accident is immediately at the accident scene. We see a lot of people who are under the adrenaline of the accident, or they're not focused on what's going on with their body, and they tell the officer, "I'm not injured." That's not the correct answer. Take a moment to think about that if an officer asks you that question. And if you don't know, the answer is, "I don't know. I have some pain. I'm a little bit stiff. I'm going to go get checked out and take it from there." The second biggest mistake is not knowing who you're calling next for advice. A lot of people are going to call their insurance agent. There isn't a whole lot that person can do for you. Insurance agents sell insurance. They don't handle claims. So that's not the right person to call. The person I would call second after I called 911 is an auto accident attorney, an experienced auto accident attorney. And why? Again, in 2 to 3 minutes of a free consultation, we're probably going to give you some tidbit or some piece of advice that is going to help you far and beyond anything an insurance agent's going to tell you or an adjuster. And that brings us to the last person you should call, and that's an insurance adjuster. Don't call or speak to an adjuster from the other person's insurance. That person isn't there to help you. Speak to, if any adjuster, only speak to your own insurance company, and only talk about why the accident is not your fault. If you're not at fault in an accident, that's a very important fact to get out early and often. If not, it may affect whether or not you get reimbursed for your property damage claim, and it may come back to affect whether or not you have a viable and valid bodily injury case that I or any attorney can present for you later on. So I would take it 1, 2, 3. Police, your trusted accident attorney, and last but not least, your own insurance company. And if you're going in that fashion, you will have spoken with an accident lawyer before you ever speak to any insurance company. It doesn't hurt.